Creating a practical and stylish place in your home to work, study, and relax is easy with a little bit of planning. And we've combined all three in one small corner using a variety of furniture pieces to achieve our goal. We started with this L-shaped desk that offers a ton of space for work and gaming. It includes multiple charging capabilities and has integrated multicolored LEDs that provide accent lighting for any mood. The versatile chair is perfect for work or gaming, and it accommodates any posture from productivity to reclined and relaxed. The chair is available in a variety of colors, and for this space, we opted for the high contrast white. To add some comfort to the space, we brought in a large area rug with bold colors that coordinate with the desk and chair. And the small ottoman provides both style and function with its padded top and hidden storage. The wall art adds visual interest, and we've added a bit of greenery to give this space a pop of color. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.